Cake flour is another type of flour that is used for baking your cakes, your cookies and other baked goods. And in this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make your own cake flour, and this comes handy when your recipe calls for it. Hi, my name is Esther Ozioma Sanami and you're welcome to Good News Catering and Events. To make this cake flour, you'll be needing 2 ingredients, flour and corn flour. So let's get started. In a bowl, just go ahead and sieve 1 cup of flour leveled. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for coming back, and if you're new to my channel, you are welcome. Please kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get updates when I drop new videos. After sieving, take out 2 tablespoons from your flour. Remember to level it. Now we're going to be replacing that 2 tablespoons that we took out with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or corn flour. Mix it until it is well combined. And here it is. Our cake flour is ready. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, and most importantly, remember to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.